Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Wednesday, December 8th, 2021. It is 1:50 and 16 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, high blood pressure. So let's hop to it here. A daily dose of yogurt could be the go-to food to manage high blood pressure. Date December 7th, 2021. Source, University of South Australia. Whether it is a dollop on your morning cereal or a simple snack on the go, a daily dose of yogurt could be the next go-to food for people with high blood pressure, according to new research. The study examined the associations between yogurt intake, blood pressure, and cardiovascular risk factors, finding that yogurt is associated with lower blood pressure for those with hypertension. Globally, more than 1 billion people suffer from hypertension, high blood pressure, putting them at greater risk of cardiovascular disease, such as heart attack and stroke. Cardiovascular disease are the leading cause of death worldwide. In the United States, one person dies from cardiovascular disease every 36 seconds. In Australia, it's every 12 minutes. High blood pressure is the #1 risk factor for cardiovascular disease, so it is important that we continue to find ways to reduce and regulate it. Dairy foods, especially yogurt, may be capable of reducing blood pressure, and this is because dairy foods contain a range of micronutrients, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, all of which are involved in the regulation of blood pressure. Yogurt is especially interesting because it also contains bacteria that promote the release of proteins, which lowers blood pressure. And this study showed for people with elevated blood pressure, even small amounts of yogurt were associated with lower blood pressure. And for those who consumed yogurt regularly, the results were even stronger, with blood pressure readings nearly 7 points lower than those who did not consume yogurt. The study was conducted on 915 community-dwelling adults. Habitual yogurt consumption was measured using a food frequency questionnaire. High blood pressure was defined as being greater than or equal to 140/90 millimeters of mercury. A normal blood pressure level is less than 120/80 millimeters of mercury. Researchers say that future observational and intervention studies should continue to focus on at-risk individuals to examine the potential benefits of yogurt. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.